Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into your Microsoft account at Account, Microsoft. So OneDrive password changes apply across services. Once signed in, go to Security to verify contact methods. Make sure you can receive codes on the listed email or phone. This step prevents lockout when you change the password, and it's why confirming recovery options matters now rather than later. If two-step verification is off, consider enabling it now, because it adds protection when you create a new, stronger password. Next, click Security, then Password Security or change password to begin. You'll verify your identity. When prompted, request a code and enter it from your recovery email or phone. After verification, type your current password, then create a new password that's unique and complex. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to confirm the new password accurately, and note why choosing a unique password matters. It prevents reuse attacks across services tied to your Microsoft account. Once done, Microsoft updates your account immediately. Sign back into OneDrive on each device and any apps that use the old password. Make sure to update saved passwords in browsers or password managers so sync resumes. If you saw suspicious activity, sign out everywhere from the security dashboard and change passwords again if needed. If you cannot sign in, use the account recovery flow and verification methods you confirmed earlier. This troubleshooting path is why keeping recovery info current.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.